Here's Hiro. Oh, get that. Oh no, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it, come on. Oh. Good job. So he was a little apprehensive coming back in. So we're spending the first couple of minutes just playing with the ball and getting him kind of into it, getting kind of playful. And he's not too nervous because again, he's playing with the ball, he's holding the toy. Oh, give me that. Oh, give me that. Good job. Good, you ready? Oh my gosh, where'd it go? Come on. So we're gonna do the steps like we did last time, just kind of over and over again. And the treat at this point is the ball. So he likes the ball, he's looking for it, he's looking at it. He's wondering, how do I get it? Ready? Good job. Get it. Oh, go get that ball, come on. Come on, get it. Here. Yeah, good job. Good, ready? Whoop. Come on, come on. Ready? Yeah. So anytime he kind of runs for it on his own in the shallows. Nice job. We're trying no jacket for the most part today, just because some dogs tend to. Yeah, plucked it right out of the water. Good boy. Tend to do a little bit better when they're not kind of feel like they're being held. Yeah. Oh, what's that? Nice job, good boy. Good boy. Oh, you liking this today, huh? You're liking this today. Where'd it go? Yeah. Good. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Back. Good. It's great too, because when he gets it, he's not getting it and trying to get out. He's just sitting with it and squeaking it. So they're gonna let him go around one more time. I know. If he gives up on trying to get the ball when it's in like that, we'll get it for him. But the more he can kind of plop his face in. Sorry, bud. Just want to tighten that up on you a little bit. The better, because it's uncomfortable to stick your face in, so yeah, good job, good job. All right, one more time around, and then we're gonna throw it in and help him get to it. And then over and over again. He's already doing so much better than his first time. Ooh. Oh, so it's not just the ball, he's just interested in toys. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to throw both the toys in, we're gonna let him see us throw it in, and then we're gonna kind of guide him in, let him get right out with the toy. If he doesn't go for the toy, we're gonna pick the toy up so he can have it when he gets out, and then go right back to what he liked, the easy part. So then this becomes the reward instead of just this. Ready? Woo! Come on! Come on here! Let's go! Ready? Just like we do with the steps, we're gonna give him a kind of a bit of a tug. Yeah! Yeah, good job! Oh, shake it up! Oh, shake it! You have just the skin. You have just the skin. Good job! And go right back to it. Get it! And he's still happy. So we're gonna do this over and over again. I'm gonna take another video by the end of it so you can see how far he progresses. We have been at it for maybe like 6 minutes or so. Good. And I have a feeling that he's going to get a lot more comfortable going in. So this is why it's always actually kind of nice to get them out of daycare, because they get some energy out in daycare after they see their friends. And sometimes they're just a little drawn to mom or dad. Woo! This way, come on! Let's get it! Ready? I know, it's weird. There you go. Ooh. Yeah! Oh, you're gonna be a pro. You are gonna be a little pro.